Hey, how's it going?
Good. How you?
Oh, hanging in there.
You fishing?
No, I am cleaning or trying to learn how to clean a garfish.
Oh boy, they're tough.
Yeah, I got a chainsaw. I'm gonna try it with that. All right, fam. There he is. If y'all watched probably my last video or the last couple of videos, you saw me and brother-in-law fishing down at the Welcome Center, Louisiana Welcome Center. And brother-in-law hooked an 11-pound garfish. I've never cleaned one before. We actually tried to give them away, and none of the people who said they eat garfish were available, so I wound up with it. I'm gonna try to pick him up. They are slippery, slippery, slippery. We just caught him a couple of hours ago. He has been dispatched, but how am I gonna get him out of here? I don't know. I think I'm gonna need some gloves. I'm gonna try to keep this as less gory as possible so YouTube doesn't flag it. But we're gonna try to clean it with a chainsaw. Bam, look at those freaking teeth. Woo-wee. All right, maybe I can lift him by the gill plate. Yeah, let's try that. Bam. Not enough table. Do I have a trash bag? Let's lay him right here since we got him out of the cooler. Let's lay him out. Bam.
Oh, that is so sweet. What do you mean? Oh my gosh. Look at Roselle's big fish.
What you gonna do with that fish?
He said he about to learn how to fillet it. This is gonna be interesting. That's one ugly fish.
Alligator gar.
Ooh, he ugly.
I love garfish.
She said she loved garfish, but we be looking for people to give these fish too.
Give that garfish to my mama and she'll fry it like a pork chop.
Oh, she said Susie will eat it.
Yeah, I gotta clean it first though.
Oh, well, we learning how to clean it. We don't know how to clean it. That's the problem.
All right. I'm gonna start from the back.
All right. I'm gonna go and sit in the car.
All right.
This is first time cleaning it. Oh, well, that's good. That means that she, definitely thinks it.
Oh, the battery gave up on me. All right. Dang it. They said you gotta have like a hatchet. I don't think my hatchet is sharp enough. I don't think this thing is sharp enough. Gosh darn it. Whoa, that ain't happening. We gotta go get that reciprocating saw, y'all. Wow. All right. right, we gotta go back home.
Why?
That chainsaw battery wasn't charged up enough.
I thought you said it was a plug-in.
Huh?
I thought you could plug it in.
No, not the chainsaw, that was the other saw.
Oh.
I didn't bring it.
So how much did you get done?
Nothing.
It broke the chainsaw.
You
threw them away?
No, I ain't throwing them away.
Oh.
It's like every time I see that battery ain't. Thought it was on the charger, but evidently it wasn't.
Oh, okay.
All right, so
we got to go home and plug it in. You
No,
can
but
still
use the
do
plug.
it outside though, huh?
I'm gonna do it at the house, but outside.
Okay, but
put
then we
all
got to
this
come
up.
over and dump it over here then.
Huh?
Then we'll just come and dump the carcass over here.
Yeah, in the morning or whatever.
Well,
I
it's so
put it in the
pretty
freezer.
out here, huh?
Yeah,
That would have
it
been
is.
some good
The
backdrop.
water low.
That would have been a good backdrop though.
Yep,
You need help? Are you okay?
I got it.
Okay.
All right, fam. Plan A did not work, so here we go with Plan B. This is I think this is called a reciprocating saw. I saw this on a YouTube video, so we're gonna give this a shot to install a blade. We have a couple of options, and all of these have been used, but I think they'll get the job done. All these are shorter blades, I believe. This one has not been used. What is it, metal? I think this is a metal blade. Excuse me. Let's give this one a shot. All right, fam, let's plug this up. I don't have anything to hold that fish in place. That's going to be the problem. Here goes nothing. The beast from the Middle East. Woo, fam, look at those freaking teeth. All right, here we go. Don't know. All the guys said some of the guys said they have an apparatus to hold them in place. If I had like some kind of something to sandwich them, I could start here and work my way down. It's gonna move. Think, Rosie, think.